Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Philips TK4206 headphones and I'm going to show you always to charge your headphones. So the first way is just with your cable and power brick. You have to prepare yourself a USB type C to type A cable and plug the A cable finish with your power brick. And this USB type C cable you have to plug into your power port. And as you can see, our headphones are charging. The second way is that you have to prepare yourself a USB type C cable to C cable and charge your headphones in your phone. The first part of our cable we have to plug into our phone, just like that, and the second part to our headphones over here. And as you can see, our headphones are charging too. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.